Do you have weeds? Watch this. That's pretty cool. Whoa. What's up, you guys? I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and you are now watching my first gardening product review. My product reviews have 5 components. Those 5 components are style, ease of use, features, material and durability, and usefulness. Each of the 5 components will be graded from 1 to 10. At the end, we will tally the score, and it'll be a grade of 0 to 50. Of course, 50 being the highest grade. So our product today is the Group Pow Garden Weeder. Right off the bat, I like this modern look. It's got a nice handle with a rubberized grip. I love this bright green color, and I like the way they use both plastic and metal. To me, this looks well engineered. So for style, I give it a 9. Now for ease of use. Right off the bat, it feels a little heavy, between 2 to 5 pounds. It has a very large pedal to help you drive it into the ground. The rubberized grip is very comfortable. Once you drive it into the ground, simply lean the bar back and it clamps onto your weed. After you pull your weed out of the ground, sometimes it just falls out, or you can push it out like this. When it comes time to store and you don't want the pedal in the way, easily pull the latch and fold it down. I can easily give this a 9 for ease of use, but because of the weight, I'm gonna give it an 8.5. Now for the features. I love this rubberized grip handle. It makes it easy to maneuver without slipping your hand. The handle angle seems very ergonomic, and I can see that there's a hole here in case you want to put a strap. That way you can use the strap to either hang it up on your wrist or hang it up on a hook. Going down, we have this handle apparatus. This piece dislodges your weed from the weed puller in case it gets stuck. I like this large pedal. It makes it very easy to stab this root puller into the ground. We also have this latch so you can fold this pedal down for storage. I like this design of the weed clamp. It's pretty cool. Very cool features. I give it a 9.5. Now for materials and durability. I like their interwoven use of plastic and metal materials. It's obviously held together by steel bolts and locking nuts. As you can see, the part that clamps down onto the weed is made of thick metal. That's not gonna rust off anytime soon. Overall, this feels like a very durable product. I give it a 9.5. Now for usefulness. I think this component can be a lot more subjective than the others. If you live somewhere with a big lawn and or dirt patches and you tend to get a lot of big weeds, this can be very useful and easily a 10. On the other hand, if you live somewhere with a lot of paving, this may not be as useful. I feel like a lot of people will find themselves somewhere in between the two, so I'm going to give the usefulness an 8.5. Anyways, the usefulness will depend on the beholder. I was very impressed with this product. The total score was 45 out of 50. If you want to check out or buy this product, you can find it in my Amazon storefront. Link is in my bio. Thanks for watching my first product review. Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned for more Urban Garden product reviews.